Hey, today I'm going to show you how to use Keynote. Okay, so I'm looking at Kai's and Yada's currently, and they have some transparent images here and all of their backgrounds. Okay, so Keynote is the application that I'm going to use to make my transparent images move. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to Keynote. Okay, and then, well, first off, sorry, I need to download all of my images. So I'm going to click and hold either Control if you are using a Chromebook, but at this stage you should be on a Mac, so you should hold Command and select all of your images and download them. Now they'll download as a zipped file. Okay, so I'll show you what that means. Okay, so I go into my Finder and find my documents. Okay, it will come up like this. As a zip file, you need to double click on it to make it into a folder. So now I've got all my images here. Okay, I'm going to now go to my Keynote, grab my Finder, and drag one of these images onto my screen. Now I can move it around, make it smaller if I need to. It's kind of up to you what you want to do. Make it bigger if you need to. Can zoom this out so you can see how it's working. Right, cool. Now, to animate it, it depends on what you want to do. Okay, so this is our animation tool up here. Okay, so you can build in, so that is the first thing that happens. So for example, if you want it to appear, it will appear like this, or you might change it to something else like this. We will change the time that it takes to do it, so we'll check what that looks like. Okay, there are lots of different things that you can have as you're entering your build in. Okay, so you can change the time it takes for it to do that and whether it goes left to right, top to bottom, lots of things. Okay, so that's our first build. Then the action that we want this to do. So we'll go on to the next one, and we might want it to bounce. Okay, so now so far we've got our sparkle and we've got our bounce. So I want to check what this is looking like. So I'm going to click on build order. Okay, in this area it says that this animation won't start until I've clicked my spacebar. Okay, I don't want that to happen. I just want it to happen automatically. So I'm going to change it after transition. And then for this one, I want it to be after build 1. This is build 1. And so now it should happen together. So we'll check it. And it should just happen. So I can then add another build. Okay, so I'm going to add another action, which is down here. And we will do a jiggle. Check our build order to see it's there. There we go. We've got sparkle, bounce, and jiggle. I don't want it on click. I want it to be after build 2. So preview it. Cool, that's looking great so far. That's what I want. Let's go out of here, and now I want to build out because I want it to disappear. So I'm going to add an effect. Okay, you can change lots of things. Okay, you've just got to look at what comes up. Okay, so I want it to be order 4 because that is the last build. So I've got build 1, 2, 3, 4. I want it to happen after build 3. And then I have got my animation. Cool. Okay, so say that I am happy with that and I'm going to want to add this to iMovie. If I have a background for this moving image, I now need to change my background to green screen. Okay, if this is my moving image and I have a separate background, so say I have a lovely sunshine background that I want to put behind this, I need to make this background into green or blue. So the way that I'm going to do this is this. I am going to go to, just bear with me, I think I know how to do this. So format, and we want our background, so we're going to change it to green, which is great. Now, if you haven't done your transparent image properly, the white will fill in with green, and that's when you know you haven't done your image properly. However, if you have done your transparent image properly, then it will just be a green background. Next, what I need to do is I need to create this into a video. So, I need to go to File, and we're going to export it as a movie. I think we will check. Self-playing, yep. So we'll see what this looks like. We'll see what it does. Okay, I will make that my subscribe video. And then click export, and hopefully we will check that in our downloads, see if it's there. Cool. So at this point now, we can add it, get it out of here, don't know why that came up. We can add it to our iMovie. So I'm going to open up iMovie by going to Applications and go to iMovie. Just wait for that to load. Okay, I've got some things on here, but I'm just going to add it to this. So to add my video to iMovie, I'm going to have this as the background, just as our little random background. I need to import, so I can either import from here or I can import from my Finder, but I'm just going to go from up here, so click import. And then I need to find my downloads and my subscribe video and click import. Okay, so I've got my subscribe video here and I'm just going to drag this on top. Now, at the moment, you can't see this background that is underneath. However, because we have now changed it to green screen, blue screen, we need to go up to, click on this image, go up to here, change this to green screen, blue screen, and voila, we have our background image and our subscribe over the top. So that is a little introduction on how you can use Keynote to make your transparent images move. Okay, hope that is helpful for you.